Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Ioniq 5 versus the Mustang Mach-E. We'll explore how these two electric SUVs stack up against each other in key areas. You'll learn about their driving range, how quickly they charge, their acceleration capabilities, and what their interiors offer. This comparison will help you decide which electric vehicle best fits your lifestyle and driving needs, providing a clear overview of their strengths. When it comes to getting around, both vehicles offer impressive range. The Ioniq 5, with its larger battery, can travel an estimated 318 miles on a full charge. The Mach-E slightly edges it out with up to 320 miles in its extended range, rear-wheel drive configuration. For charging, the Ioniq 5 boasts ultra-fast capabilities, reaching 80% in approximately 18 minutes. The Mach-E is also efficient, typically charging from 10% to 80% in about 38 minutes. Performance-wise, the Mach-E, especially in its GT trim, delivers exhilarating acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.1 seconds. The Ioniq 5, with its all-wheel drive, is also quick, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds. Inside, the Ioniq 5 offers a spacious cabin with a flat floor and dual 12.3-inch screens. The Mach-E provides a sporty feel with a prominent 15.5-inch infotainment touchscreen and comfortable ActiveX seating. Considering pricing, the Mach-E generally offers a lower entry point, starting around $37,995, making it an attractive option for many. The Ioniq 5 begins at approximately $44,100, reflecting its premium features and ultra-fast charging. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Mach-E's sporty performance and larger screen or the Ioniq 5's rapid charging and unique interior. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.